My name is Todd Trask. I work at Garber Porsche Audi, and I'm a service manager. I have worked for Porsche Rochester for 3 years. I've been with Garber 9.5 years. I worked at Honda 6 years prior. Had a wonderful time over there, but Porsche Audi is my passion. My day consists of opening the store, greeting my employees every morning to see what the day holds, what we've had carried over from the day before. I always check CSI first thing in the morning, check the docs, see where we are, month to date. Just some housekeeping things that have just become a daily routine. That's what I do as part of my day-to-day every morning. I'm pretty consistent in that. Creature of habit. The thing for me with Garber that I truly enjoy is being able to run the store like it's my own. KP lets us run it as we wish. It gives us the flexibility to create an atmosphere for our employees to enjoy coming to work every day. I love people, I love my staff, and I really enjoy working for the company because we have the same visions. We want to win, we want to be the best of the best. And that's reflected in our CSI scores every day, monthly, yearly, and the awards that we win. And we do it as a team because one of us is not smarter than all of us together. The best day I ever had, proudest moment was Honda was featured in Honda's national publication as a store to be, and that was great. My role before coming to Garber, I was working, ironically, next door, and I was the service manager for Lexus, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, and Volkswagen. What brought me over here was Billy Buchel, who runs our Bradenton Nissan store. I had known Billy since he was 15, and I actually was Billy's boss at Mercedes. I hired him to be a superstar advisor, of which he was, and the rest is history. So he called me when he was the service director over here and said, "Would you like to come home?" And I didn't know what that meant. Later that day, we had lunch, and he said, "I'm going to be going into the general manager program, and I want you to take my job." I liked what I did next door, but it was not the atmosphere which Garber is. Something people would be surprised to know about me, I was a two-time New York State champion in motocross in the 250 and 125 classes. I had a sponsor by Honda. We were on the road 36 weeks out of the year, traveling coast to coast racing. Had a great time. I've got a wonderful family. The best piece of advice I was ever given was by one of my parents' customer, Tom Golisano, who's the founder of Paychex. He said, "Don't ever judge someone by the size of their wallet because it doesn't make up their character." And that always stuck with me because you can judge somebody very easily, and that's not really who that person is. It doesn't matter if you have money, doesn't mean you're a good person. People with a lot of character, that's who you really want to look at.